What's up, guys? Today is Saturday, it's 3rd of February 2018. I'm recording this video because some of my students asked me to refresh information about my strategy, as they consider that it's quite old information in my courses. Actually, I don't see any changes in the market, but I decided to record fresh videos and tell you everything and show that market is still same and it gives good opportunity to earn money. So you will see that there is no difference between nowadays and the time when I recorded my course where I tell what exactly I use for trading Forex. I will refresh all topics that I described before about technical and fundamental analysis, levels, time frames, indicators, news, classic patterns and trading. Probably you will hear from me some different information comparing with my old information, because previous videos were recorded more than 1 year ago. As I checked, it was October 2016, and it's been a long time since I recorded my course. But the main thing is same, my strategy didn't change, but now I make more middle term trading, as for me it's easier, I have more spare time and can do another things. So let's move to my fresh videos, and I hope if you check all my videos it will help you to create successful trading.